Kay Kuya Roy.
Ang
Yan.
galing!
Ang galing ko. Palaga naman palino. Kay Kuya Roy yan. Bigay mo na kay Kuya Ruby. Kay Kuya Ruby yan.
Oh my god, I like the texture. Just konting ano lang. Like water, konting and then konting shampoo. By the way, what? I just use Head and Shoulder shampoo. And let's try it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It looks like this, and when you play it, it's so fun. It's sticky, but fun to play. Baby, please, manahimik ka naman. You want that? Pero, kung gusto niyo siya mag-bubbles, put some joy on it. Gagawa ako ng isa pang bead na gumawa ako nito. Okay, tapos yun, tapos joy. It's just easy to make lang naman. If you don't have air dry clay yung ginamit ko, ha. Baka yung hard clay yung gamitin. Yung clay na sobrang hirap kung pag nilaro mo yung I just discipline him. Wow! If you want more stickier, put some hot water. Half spoon of water. Habibi, stop! Not my binder, okay? Huwag yan, may pera yan. Ay! Ulit. Look, guys, you're so kulit talaga. Ay, pinalo yun yung sarili mo. Hindi ka pinapalo. Sabihin, pinalo kita. Just put some water.